By the power of Grayskull, it's time for another He-Man unboxing. Once again, joined by our good friend Jacko the Frog. So yeah, we got HYPNO from Ruler of the Sun. Yeah, you can see this box definitely been some damage. The dreaded Snake Man have arisen from the darkest depths of Mountain. King Hiss, as repulsive reptiles, have vowed to destroy He-Man and their heroic warriors, as well as Sunman and the Rulers of the Sun, will Eternia fall to the slithering swarm. So yes, I picked up HYPNO, which is what I've been wanting. And he has definitely seen some battle, looks like. Even before leaving the case. Well, it's a good thing I just really got this figure open, so that should be a bad thing. I only got one piece, which is good. The dramatic reading a lot easier. In there. Let's get HYPNO out here. Here's HYPNO's bird, his HYPNO disc, and his helmet. So, HYPNO disc. And his bird companion, I guess, just kind of clips on. Yeah, so I'm excited to have this. I'll put some pictures of him as Sunman. Yeah, so I guess this makes him like the second hypnotic figure in the He-Man universe, because I think there's like a hypnotic sorceress type character in the She-Ra line. Okay, well, we've unboxed HYPNO, so comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon if you're new, and we'll see you again for another unboxing and more He-Man content. Until then, by the power of Grayskull, we'll see you next time right here on Bucky749.